Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a modern YouTube thumbnails using Kittl AI. Let's get started. First, go to kittl.com and then in the left-hand menu, you can click templates. And here, you can search for YouTube thumbnails and browse through the modern, bold layouts. Then here you can pick a template. Choose a design that matches your video's vibe, like it's clean, colorful, or easy to read. Then here you can replace the text. Click on the text and update it with your video title or hook. Keep it short and bold, like this. After done typing, you can upload your photo or video screenshot or use Kittl's elements to add modern shapes, arrows, or icons or images. Then here you can stick to a high contrast colors and use bold and sans serif fonts for more readability. And make sure that your canvas size is set to a YouTube format. And you can now export your thumbnail and download it as a high quality PNG and upload it to your YouTube video. And that's it. You've just created a modern YouTube thumbnail in Kittl that grabs attention and boosts clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.